What's up everyone? Chuck with VMP Performance, and as you can see behind me, we got this 2019 Ford F-150. And you might be wondering, Chuck, why are we doing a dyno on a seemingly stock F-150? Well, this truck's got a little something special to it. Alright guys, so we're just finished up on the Dyno Pull. The truck made 476 wheel horsepower and 491 pound-feet of torque thanks to the VMP Spicy Air tune. This truck only has long tubes and a tune and 100 shot of nitrous, so pretty impressive numbers overall. And if you're interested in having something like this done to your truck, just give us a call at Sales and Support, and make sure to follow us on social media guys. See you soon.